Hi friends, in this video we will learn top 5 Excel functions which are available in Excel 365 version. Let's get started with the first one, XLOOKUP. Let's to be honest, VLOOKUP was useful but it was not effective when it comes to the right search. XLOOKUP is faster, easier and more flexible. No need to count the columns. Can search left or right. VLOOKUP could not do that. So here we have a data set and we have employee ID. Our task is to get the names based on the employee ID. If you see here, we have a names on the right side of the employee ID. Now let's use XLOOKUP. Type equal XLOOKUP, select the lookup value, comma, select your lookup array means the column where your employee ID are mentioned, comma. Now select the return array means return data column, in our case employee name, comma. In case not match, it should blank, comma, and select the exact match. Close the bracket, hit enter. Now change the employee ID and you will get the names. If you found this video is helpful for you, please follow our page and subscribe to YouTube channel. Let's move to the second function, filter function, the dynamic filter. Filter lets you create a dynamic list based on the conditions. No more complicated arrays formula or pivot tables. Let's assume that you have a data set in a table but want to filter the data based on condition. Type equal filter, select the complete table range, comma, select the condition column, in our case type column, and it should be equal to this condition, comma, in double inverted comma, nothing. Close the bracket, hit enter, done. Now if you change anything in the table, it get reflected here also. Let's move to the third one, sequence function. Need to create a list of numbers from 1 to 100. No dragging required. Sequence does it quickly. Just type equal sequence 10 comma 10 comma, as we want to start with the 1 comma with the step 1. Close the bracket, hit enter, done. You have it. Now let's understand unique function. An example, we have a data set with the repeated entries and we want unique list. Type unique and select the complete data range. Hit enter, done. Easy and simple, right? Let's move to the our last part, text split function. Previously we need left, right, mid or text to column to split data. Now text split make it one clean function. For example, I have the number in one cell like 1 to 20 and I want to split them one number in one cell. But after the semicolon, the row should be changed. Here the text split function comes into the picture. Type equal text split, select the data, comma, column delimiter, comma, row delimiter, close the bracket, hit enter. Now copy the first formula and paste it the row below and done. If you found this video is helpful for you, please like and share with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.